Well, welcome to AJ's 818 FFR build. I picked the car up this weekend. It's been previously started by the original owner, and I am going to try and complete it. It is based off of a 2006 WRX Turbo for the donor. So far it's together with the 5-speed transmission, all of the suspension, equal length headers with a stock turbo. Looks like all the cold tab piping needs to be done. Shift linkage needs to be hooked up, and it needs to be wired and body worked. So, and all the interior needs to be put together. But the suspension on, the engine is in, and all of the aluminum is riveted in place. So it's in the trailer right now. It's actually going to stay here for probably a couple of months. I'm going to take pieces out at a time to the garage to work on until I'm ready to get the whole thing in and start doing panel fitting. So it pretty much was done as a buy the build book by the previous owner. I will be changing that, probably quite a bit of customization going on. Possibly not as much as I've wanted, because he seems to be missing a lot of components from the donor car that weren't needed for the by the book build. He appears to have scrapped most of the stuff that wasn't needed for a by the books build. So we'll be maybe skipping a couple of things like ABS, and then out searching for some of the other components I need, like an AC compressor. I'd like to do a stock dash, stock console, so I'll be looking for those. So pretty short post for this one, but once I get back to the garage and start working on some things, there'll be some longer posts. There's also a forum thread that will have a lot of discussion. We'll try and link that in the description so that you can check that out if you find yourself interested. Thanks for following along.